The ginger snap is a delightful and spicy cocktail, perfect for those who enjoy a bit of warmth in their drinks. This recipe combines the robustness of spiced rum with the distinct zing of ginger and a touch of sweetness from maple syrup. You will need the following ingredients: 2 ounces spiced rum, 1 ounce ginger liqueur, half an ounce maple syrup, 3/4 of an ounce fresh lemon juice, 1 dash Angostura bitters, 1 cinnamon stick, for garnish, 1 lemon twist for garnish. For equipment you will need cocktail shaker, strainer, jigger, rocks glass, bar spoon. Here are the instructions. Add spiced rum, ginger liqueur, maple syrup, fresh lemon juice, and Angostura bitters to a cocktail shaker. Fill the shaker with ice and shake well until the mixture is well chilled. Strain the mixture into a rocks glass filled with ice. Stir gently with a bar spoon. Garnish with a cinnamon stick and a lemon twist. The ginger snap cocktail, with its combination of warm spices and zesty citrus, is often enjoyed during the holiday season. However, its versatile flavor profile makes it suitable for any time of the year.